Life's been wrong right from the start, and the world is just falling apart. I just can't take it. Every day's always the same, and I've got no one else to blame. I just can't make it. I haven't felt this bad in years, but beer tastes better than my tears. It's called self-medication. Pop another bottle, yeah, this won't be the last, I swear. It's self-preservation. I pull another tab and pour this pint into my glass once more. That's my speculation. I haven't felt this bad in years, but beer tastes better than my tears. It's called self-medication. Pop another bottle, yeah, this won't be the last, I swear. It's self-preservation. Oh, it's not a problem, no, I should stop, that much I know. It's called self-degradation.